Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe in a home. I am your math teacher Priyanka. Welcome to online classes of a public school. The continuity of that chapter, that is chapter number 11, time and a calendar. In the previous class we learned time and calendar, that month, days in a week. After that the concept is months in a year. The continuation of that chapter, that is a time and calendar. See months in a year. Yesterday we learned what days in a week. In a previous class, we learned what 1 week is equal to what? How many days? 1 week means what? 7 days. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Is it? See, 1 week means how many days are there? 7 days are there. That is the name of that week. So, days is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we learned yesterday PM and AM. What is the full form of PM and AM? Where we use AM and PM. Is it? Everything we learn in a yesterday class. Now the continuation of that part, that is a months in a year. Is it? See, I will show you a calendar. See, this is a calendar. Is it? In this, they have given here, this is the January month. What is the year here? 2021. Is it? What is the year? 2021. The present year is 2021. In a January month, see here, how many days are there? Yes, 31 days are there. Is it? The weeks of the days is, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Is it? The days are 31. I told the trick of how to remember the months of the days. Is it? I told one trick, that is fold that and the bumps is there. You remember that is a 31 days are there. If the gap is there, then we call it as a 30 days or a 28 days. 28 days is in a only February month. They will have as only 28 days, and otherwise it may be 29 days. Other 31 days and 30 days. The bump is called a 31 days. The gap is called a 30 days. You should remember like this. We'll get a idea. See, first of all, we learn once in a year. One year means what? How many months are there? 1 year is equal to 12 months. Is it? 1 year means what? It has a 12 months. The name of that month is, that is January. Is it? First one is a January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Is it? You should remember the spellings and pronounce it. In which month has how many days? You have to remember it. So in a January month, how many days are there? Yes? Very good. 31 days are there. In a February month, 28 days or 29 days. If 28 days are there, that is a common year. If 29 days are there, then we call it as a leap year. Is it? I will explain now what is common year and leap year. In a March month, how many days are there? 31 days are there. In April, 30 days. May, 31 days. June, 30 days. July, 31 days. August month, it has a 31 days. In the September month, 30 days. October, 31 days. In the November month, how many days are there? Yes, very good, 30 days. In a December month, 31 days are there. And one more thing you should remember here, in a January month, what is the important festivals? That is that may be a Republic Day and Independence Day. It is there, is it? These all are which month we will celebrate. You should remember everything here. In a January month, 26th, what? 26th January, what we celebrate there? Yes? Very good, Republic Day. In a February month, we celebrate 28th National Science Day. Yes, very good. You should remember the important dates. Is it? See, we are in a February month. I will show here. See how many days are in a February month. See, in a February month, how many days are there? Yes. Yes, very good. 28 days are there. In this February month, we celebrate a 28th Sunday. That is a National Science Day. Is it? This is the important days. You should remember which month we celebrate important festivals or important we celebrate what National Science Day. Is it? National Science Day is celebrated on a February 28th. What about March? Yes, March 8 is International Women's Day. We celebrate in a March month International Women's Day. What about in a February month? In a February month we celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti. 14th April we celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti. What about May? In a May any important day is there? Yeah, so many important days are there, but we should remember only very important, is it? In a May month, we celebrate a Labour's Day, is it? In a June month, what we celebrate? Any important days is there? Yes. In a May 21st, we celebrate a International Yoga Day, is it? After that, July, any important day is there? Yes. July 1st, we celebrate a Doctor's Day. You should remember the important dates here, is it? In August, what we celebrate? 15th August, we celebrate a what? Independence Day. You should remember the important festivals here, is it? In September 5th, what we celebrate here? Yes, Teachers Day. What about October? In October 5th, we celebrate a International Teachers Day. Is it? You should remember all these things. In a November month, what we celebrate here? Any important day is there? Yes? Very good. 14th November, we celebrate a Children's Day. Yes, very good. In a December month, yes, 25th Christmas Day we celebrate, is it? You should remember the important dates and write it in your classwork, and you should remember the spellings of these months. Again, we learn here. Again, we recalling here. January month has a 31 days. February month has a 28 days or a 29 days. In the March, 31 days. April, 30 days. May, 31 days. June, 30 days. In July, 31 days are there. In August, 31 days. You should remember which month has a how many days, and use that tricks. The bump is there, that is 31 days. If the gap is there, that is 30 days. Okay, I will tell what is common year and what is leap year. See, in a February month, it has a 28 days, otherwise it has a 29 days. If 28 days are there, in a February month, it has a 28 days, then we call it as a what? Common year. What we call common year. Otherwise, it has a 365 days. How many days? 365 days. 1 year is equal to what? 1 year is equal to 365 days. Otherwise, if leap year is there, see in the February month, 28 days is there, then we called it as a common year. That is 1 year is equal to 365 days. When we called 365 days, that is a common year. For example, in a February month, it has a 29 days. How many days? 29 days, then we call it as a leap year. What it is? Leap year. Otherwise, we can say 366 days. How many days? 366 days. In a leap year, it has a extra day. That is, in a February month, that is a 29 days. Is it? In a February month, it has a 28 days. Then we call it as a common year. If it has a 29 days, then we call it as a leap year. Leap years comes only 4 years after. Is it? For example, I will take a 2000. In this year, we considering a leap year. For example, we are considering a 2000. Is it? After the 4 years, 2004. It is a leap year. It will come. The leap year will come after 4 years. It will come what? After 4 years. See, after 2004, what will come now? Add it. 2008. This is a leap year. After that, see here. 2012 is a leap year. Is it? These all are leap years. After 4 years, you will get a leap year. Leap year means what? It has a 29 days. Otherwise, we call it as a 366 days. See, we are in a 2021. It is a leap year or a common year? Yes? It is a common year. Why? Because now only I showed the calendar year. It has only 28 days. How many days? 28 days. So it is a common year. What about 2024? Yes? What about 2024? It is a leap year. Okay. Here, February month has a what? 29 days. I told leap years comes after 4 years. See here, this year is a common year. The present year is a common year. The leap year come at 2024. After 2024, what will come here? After 4 years. See, add it 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2028 is a leap year. You can find easily here. What is common year and leap year? I will ask the questions here. 1 week means how many days? Yes, very good. 7 days. 1 year means how many months are there in a 1 year? Yes, very good. 12 months. Otherwise, 365 days. That is also called as a common year. Leap year means 366 days. Otherwise, we can say in a February month it has a 29 days. Common year means it has in a February month 28 days. You should remember these things. What is leap year and what is common year. Hope you all understood this concept. Next. We solve that textbook problem. See here, in a page number 127, they have given some questions here. That is, fill in the blank. First one, what they have given here? Today is Monday. What they have given? In a previous class, I told what is today, what is yesterday, and what is tomorrow. Today is Monday. Yesterday was dash and tomorrow will be dash. What is the answer here? See, I will show you a calendar. See what they asked here. Today is a Monday. See, today is a Monday. What they asked here? Yesterday was dash. I told before that day. Today means Monday. They have given today is Monday. Yesterday. Before that day is a what? You have to write here. And tomorrow will be. After that, tomorrow will be. The next day will be. You have to write. What it is? The yesterday was here. The yesterday was Sunday. Which day it is? Sunday. And tomorrow will be. What is tomorrow here? Which day it is? Yes. Very good. Tuesday. See, today is Monday. Yesterday was what? It is a Sunday. And tomorrow will be what? Tuesday. Next question, what they are given here? Yesterday was Friday. So, today is dash. What they have given here? See, yesterday was Friday. So, today is. They are telling about a yesterday, is it? I will show you a calendar. See what they have given here. Yesterday was Friday. The yesterday was Friday. So today is. What is the today now? Which day it is? Yes. Very good. Saturday. See, yesterday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. See here what they are given. Yesterday was Friday. They have given yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. So today is. Which day it is? That is Saturday. Which day it is? Saturday. The next question they have given today, the date, the date is 24th. Tomorrow it will be dash. And yesterday it was dash. See, I will show a calendar here. See what they have given. Today the date is 24. Is it? What is the date here? 24. You should remember. Just identify here. That is date only. They did not given here name of that day. They have given only date here. See, that is 24th. Tomorrow it will be. They are asking what? Tomorrow. The next day. The next day it will be. Tomorrow means what? The next day will be. it will be. And yesterday it was. See here, 24 is there. The next day is, that is tomorrow. What date it is? Yes, very good. That is 25th. And yesterday it was. They are asking what? Yesterday. See, this is a 24. Before of that day will be a what? Yesterday. What it is? What is the date? Yes, very good. That is 23rd. And the next question is, I reached Lucknow on Monday. It was my sister's birthday. The next day, the day was dash. What they have given here? See, I reached Lucknow on Monday. It was my sister's birthday. The next day, they are asking what? Next day. What they have given? That is a Monday. The next day, they are asking. Is it? What is the next day? See here. They have given a Monday. What is the next day now? Yes. Very good. That is Tuesday. What is that day? That is a Tuesday. Is it? Today is Monday, yesterday was a Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Yesterday was Friday, so today is what? Saturday. Today the date is 24th. Tomorrow it will be what? 25th. And yesterday it was what? 23rd. I reached Lucknow on Monday. It was my sister's birthday. The next day, the day was what? Tuesday. See, 1 year is equal to 12 months, I told, is it? January means what? It is a first month. You know ordinal numbers, is it? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, is it? The February month, it is a second month. March means third month. See, January means it is a first month. February means it is a second month. March means third. April means fourth. May means fifth. June, sixth. These all are called ordinal numbers, is it? This is a first, second. If the March month is there, you use it, it is a third. For example, today I am writing today's date is, I am taking an example here. This is a 17th. What is the date? That is the 17. We are in the February month. Which year? That is a 2021. 17. What is the February month now? See here, that is a second. You have to write a 2 year. After that, 2021. This is the format of writing a date. Is it? First one we have to write a date here. After that, we have to write month. Next, that is year. If March is there, you write here 3. April is there, you write 4. It means what? January means 1st, February 2nd, March 3rd, April 4th, May 5th, June 6th, July 7th, August means what? 8th month, September 9th, October 10th, November 11th, December means you should write a 12. For example, December month, I am writing a 17 is a date. What we have to write? It is a December. Yes, very good. 12. After that, you can write a 2021. This is the example. This is a date and this is a month. If month is there, you use this first, second, third. Which month it is, you write it. If December is there, then it is a 12th month. So we are writing here 12 year. You can write here after that year. Hope you all are understood this concept. Thank you.